How to use Messenger as a Facebook business page. So first, you just have to launch your Facebook Messenger. So this is my Facebook page. And as you can see, we have here options. Below, we can see here people, tools, calls, and chats. Above, we can see here all and read. We have here an answered and so on. Now, if you tap your profile in the top left corner, there you will see options like switch account, add shortcut to home screen, tools for business, data permissions, dark mode, notifications and sounds, chat heads, report, technical problem, help, legal and policies. So that's it. So if you want to change your profile picture here on your messenger, you just have to tap the camera icon and import that image. Or you can choose an avatar to change your image here on your messenger. So here, feel free to choose a skin tone for your avatar. I mean, you can customize your avatar here. Okay, that's it. Now, again, if you tap the switch account, then all you have to do is to select the account that you want to switch. If it's Facebook account or Facebook business page, as easy as that. And that's how you use Messenger as a Facebook business page. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.